Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about how we are going to set up the first project with Ono.js Hello World. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, so for the npm package, we have to run this command with the folder. So here we have the folder, not this one. Let's take a look. I think I have the Ono. I have made that folder, I guess. Where is H? Troll. Let's go to the terminal. CD Uno. Okay, make directory. Uno. Okay, CD Uno. Now we have to run this command. Okay, so here we go with this one. Let's paste this command npm create Uno later. Okay, first of all, we have to change the node version. So make sure the node version would be, I have that one, that is 18 plus. Okay, so nvm use node 22. I'm going to use the 22. Now I'm going to paste that command for this one. Okay, yes. Okay, which template you want? So same thing happens. So I'm going to go with the Node.js. Okay, Node.js. Right. Yes. Just hit enter. npm yes. So cd my app, and what the next step? This is done. Cd my app, then npm I. Done. After that, we have to go with npm run dev. So it will give you the hello world. Okay. Npm run dev. Now open this link and hello world. Easy. Very simple. Let's open the code base. What exactly they have. Okay. Control Shift T, and let's open the VS Code for this. Okay. So they have the source folder, then index.ts file. Okay, so here you can see we have Ono, node server Ono, and app get is already added. This is the syntax. Okay, and the server, then we have fetch app dot fetch port number, and this is console dot. And in the packet.json they have installed the dependencies. Okay, and this is types, obviously it's TypeScript, so that is added, right? And this is the file that created with the tsconfig. Okay, no need to do anything. Most of it, all the things are there, just one command and do everything, right? Easy, very simple, right? So this is our first setup, that is how to set up the hello world, right? So yeah, that's it. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.